Let's do a gentle nervous system reset. It's going to help you feel calmer, more centered, more like yourself, less anxious, and it just might change your life. Take a deep breath in and out. This technique is called EFT, which is also known as Emotional Freedom Technique, where we tap on the body to help release emotions. It's based on ancient Chinese medicine. Each point that we tap on releases specific emotions. So this point right here is helping us to release grief, disappointment, heartbreak, and things like that. So we tap here. Good. Starting to feel a yawn coming on. The energy in my body shifting to a more parasympathetic nervous system state, which is where we rest, digest, and heal. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to go to the next point. We're going to go to the top of the head. This point helps to release any looping thoughts, anxiety, overthinking. Who doesn't have that? Good. Take a deep breath in and out. For anybody who's experiencing anxiety, this technique is really, really effective for releasing the emotions that are creating the anxiety. So sometimes when we don't speak our truth or we suppress our emotions, they can build up, and this technique helps to release them. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This point here helps to release anger and frustration. Good. Take a deep breath in and out again. The exhale should be longer than the inhale. Good. Let's go to the outside of the eye. This point helps to release anger and frustration as well. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Feeling my jaw relax. I'm feeling the energy traveling down my spine. You might feel a yawn come on. Some tears might be rolling down your face. These are all signs that your body is shifting into alignment and you're beginning to relax into the parasympathetic nervous system. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. This point here helps to release any emotion around feeling the need to control things. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Oftentimes when we seek to control things, we find out we can't, and that creates more anxiety. Good. If any of these points are sore for you, it could be stuck lymph, but it also could be excess emotion that has been trapped or suppressed. So it won't last for too long. Usually it goes away in one session or maybe two. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. So this point helps to connect the mind and the body, which often, believe it or not, become disconnected energetically. So when we experience trauma or overwhelm or anxiety, we wind up leaving the body a little bit. We check out. And this helps to bring us back in so that we can make better decisions for ourselves. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. I love this point. Anytime I need a quick reset, I will go here. Good. Let's go underneath the lip. Take another deep breath in and out. Good. I felt a lot of energy traveling down the back, the shoulder blades relaxing. I want you to start to tune into your body. Feel how your body is adjusting and releasing. It's really good information about where you might hold your stress and tension. Take a deep breath in and out. So this point helps to release any emotion around not speaking your truth, whether it's to others or even to yourself. So sometimes we might say that we really want to get coffee with somebody, but in reality, we don't. And this creates distrust for ourselves, as well as the other person probably too. But more importantly, there becomes a distrust in your own self and what you say and what you do. So it's important to speak your truth, and if you don't, this area can get clogged, and this area, and there can be tension in the jaw. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. We're gonna go right here, under the collarbone. There's 2 points right here, so you wanna make a C. That makes it easiest. So we're gonna tap there. This point helps release fear. So if you're about to go take a test or do a presentation, this point is great to help you release some of that fear. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So in traditional tapping, we would be saying, even though I have this fear, I deeply love and accept myself. And so you can keep working on that fear and tap on all the points, or you can pick something else. Even though I have these feelings, even though I'm scared to ask somebody out, you can use EFT for almost anything. And if you're interested in the research, there's lots of research that's been done for the last 25 years. So you can go to EFTuniverse.com. Take a deep breath in and out. This point right here is not in traditional tapping. Right now we're just doing a gentle reset using the points from EFT. But this one helps to bring us more compassion for ourselves, more love, more forgiveness, because oftentimes we're too hard on ourselves. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This helps to also pump the lymph. The next points that we are going to work on are the outside of the body. So they're hands width down from the armpit. And on the right side, you're releasing anger. And on the left side, you're releasing worry. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Really good. Felt that energy traveling down the body. You may feel tingling in your feet. You may feel the energy going down the backs of your legs. That's all signs that you're getting grounded back into your body. So when we experience an emotion, we open a loop, and right now we're helping to close that loop. We're actually changing the way the brain is responding to the world, the way the nervous system is responding. There's lots of science behind what we're doing right now. Not just based on Chinese medicine. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So you can tap for a few minutes, or you can tap as long as an hour or an hour and a half. It just depends on how much transformation you want, how much you want to talk and tap about your feelings. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You're doing so great. Let's go to the outside of the eye. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. So each point is something that you should tap, but if you feel called to go to a certain spot, that is totally okay and fine. You don't have to do EFT perfectly. As long as you're doing it, you're doing a good job. Take a deep breath in and out. We all have so much emotion that is pent up in our bodies that's causing this dis-ease in our body. So we are experiencing uneasiness, and this technique helps to bring more coherence to the body. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay, we're almost out of time. You can keep tapping or stop. It's up to you. I love you. You're doing great.